Well, hello and welcome back. Thank you for coming back. Today we're in downtown Paphos. We're on the Paphos Promenade and we're going to show you a view to die for, and then we're going to take you for a great walk along the Paphos Promenade. But before we do, I'm going to introduce you to the most beautiful woman in the world, Ochin Gracivia Labouf.
Hello everybody, how nice to see you again and again.
And again. Now, have a look at that for a start of a view. Absolutely to die for. Absolutely spectacular. We've got a young man out there being towed along on a speedboat. He's on a jet ski of some sort, some kind of ski, a paddling board or wherever it might be. We don't really know what it is, but he's having the time of his life.
No, I think if I was there, I would die immediately from the fear of dying.
There we are. As you come to understand, Gracivia Labouf is more than happy to storm the Paphos harbour, but she doesn't want to go on the back of a speedboat. Oh well, there we are. We're now going to take photos of people. There we are. We should charge them 20 euros. Look at the smiles. Absolutely beautiful, that's for sure. There we go. Go on, Gracivia Labouf. Have you agreed a price? There we are. Gracivia Labouf is going to end up in the blue Mediterranean Sea. There we are. Absolutely spectacular. Good. There we are, Labouf.
Good, perfect.
There we are. There we are. So we are now becoming mobile photographers. Are you giving them a card? You're not giving them a card. Where are they from? She thinks Russia or Poland. Right, there we go. We are now going to storm the area that's been refurbed and been painted. This is the area where you can change and where you can go sunbathe, and then you can transcend into the blue Mediterranean Sea. And this is all provided by the wonderful municipality. Mike Gumbaru, the mayor, has spent a couple of bob here, and he's made a few more little, we'll call them little piers. That's one there, which has been finished. There's Gracivia Labouf. You've got steps down the side which allow you to get into it very easy. Another pier, and that's all the changing rooms and washing rooms and toilets. And this is called the Banya Bar Restaurant. Have a look at that. Very busy indeed. Very nice indeed. Stick with us as we storm the Paphos Promenade area. Gracivia Labouf?
What you should do at this moment of time, you should swim in the sea.
Yeah, at this time of day you should. We are starting to, well, get hot, should we say. The humidity is taking its toll because we do have to do quite a few videos in quite a short period of time, because as some people understand, we do work as well. So stick with us as we continue on our travels. Have a look at that. That's the Alia all-day restaurant bar. Next door to that is the Pizza Hut, Cafe Nero, and next door to that is some multi-million euro apartments that if you wish to buy, you can. Starting price 2 million, all the way up to 7 million if you want the top floor. Have a look at that. But it does have a great view of the blue Mediterranean Sea. Stick with us. We are going to get to the exercising machines, and you never know, Miss Ochin Gracivia Labouf may be in the mood for a little bit of monkeying around. Let's follow the rear end of the Labouf. There she goes. So these are the exercising equipment that have been installed by the municipality to keep people in shape and to allow people to have fun and to allow people to make good friends. Absolutely spectacular. Look at that. Good? On you get, Gracivia Labouf.
This one is not in.
On you get. That's it.
This one is not in.
No? Off you go. That's it. Let's have a look at that rear end. Absolutely spectacular. There we are. Wonderful.
And I don't see, well, maybe the legs muscles working in this.
Yep, keep going. The leg muscles are working, and it's definitely working on the rear end. That's for sure. Doggy. Keep going, Labouf. Understand that we have more male subscribers than female subscribers, that's for sure.
I think I should go there then.
Going to go on that one. There we go. She's now going to try that one. That's it. Try not to kill yourself, Labouf. There we go. Now she's in the swing of it.
This one is not too bad.
That's it.
Because you put much more effort on it.
There we go. That's how it works. Let's see that rear end going, Labouf.
You can also do from back to go back and forward.
Let's see you dismount, LaBeouf. Oh, very eloquently done. You watch your cigarettes don't fall out your pocket. Stick with us as we keep going along what's referred to as the Hotel Coastal Pathway, and this is it. So this is the final part of the promenade. This again has been refurbed. This is changing rooms, toilets, and it has a raised sunbathing deck. And this area now is to the rear of the Annabelle Hotel. So if you walk in the front entrance of the Annabelle Hotel and you walk out the rear entrance of the Annabelle Hotel, this is what you will see. A wonderful, wonderful sight, and it's known as the blue Mediterranean Sea, and it truly is something that's absolutely spectacular. So stick with us as we go and show you some beautiful rock formations and the beautiful blue Mediterranean Sea and the beautiful sunset as it sets in the sky. Have a look at that. So that's the sun setting over downtown Clorica, and it's starting its descent to Cato, Australia. But don't worry, it'll be back first thing in the morning, 10 past to 6:15. It will arrive and it will blaze and beam and glisten all over the beautiful area of Paphos, in fact the whole of Cyprus, all day long. And you'll get a wonderful, wonderful suntan, and you'll feel absolutely rejuvenated from the beautiful rays of the sun. You see
And
it?
then these very loud crickets, annoying Sherlock Holmes.
This time of year, unfortunately, Cyprus does suffer from crickets, and well, if you understand what they're doing, they are mating, also I'm told, and producing more crickets, obviously. But the noise they make in some places is, well, shall we say, eardrum shattering, and that is for sure. At the moment in the background they're not too bad. But anyway, have a look at that. Great view. And this is a place where, again, lots of locals, tourists and expats alike find it very easy to get into the blue Mediterranean Sea. It's very shallow in this area, very calm. You've got rock formations creating a sort of a swimmer pool, a natural swimming pool, should we say. And again, it's a very nice area with lots of sunbeds and sunshade. Have a look at that. You can rent these at €2.50. So if you wanted to rent that there, umbrella and 2 sunbeds, that's going to cost you €7.50. And they actually offer drink service from the rear of the Annabelle Hotel as well. Obviously the drinks are going to be a little bit pricey, but if you want a nice drink, they're going to come and serve you, that's for sure. And it's got a very nice restaurant over there, which most nights of the weeks has a Greek theme. And then there's another restaurant over there which is to the rear of the Almira Hotel. But these hotels are sister hotels, if you understand. So yes, they're in competition with each other, but they are the best of friends. Lucivia?
Is it hotel male or female? Why did you say sister?
Well, in
Why
general,
not brother?
it could be brothers. In general, in English, we say sisters. We say sister hotels. Perhaps I'm not politically correct.
I
don't
brother
know.
hotel.
You would say brothers. Okay, fine. At the end of the day, they are both hotels owned by the same company. There we go. So whether you buy a drink in that hotel or a drink in that hotel, the money goes into the same boss's pocket. Maybe he's male, maybe he's female.
Yeah, you're right.
Who knows?
English people normally say 2 sister hotels.
We do.
Yeah.
We do. We always tend to put the lady first
Oh,
because
that's
we are
right.
gentlemen. That's why.
Are you?
Receive the booth.
Even the women are gentlemen.
There we are. Receive the booth. Confusing of English as usual. There we go.
I'm on a funny mood.
Yes,
Don't
but
judge me,
she
Rob.
does
Don't
actually
judge me.
speak 7 languages, and believe it or not, English is actually her worst language. And Rob, just so you're wondering, I read the comment. Yes, you said your wife speaks French. So does mine, and I think we understand the French we're talking about. It's not quite the correct French that French people will be talking. It's those bad words.
Especially sometimes if I get angry
Yes,
and I
there
get
we go.
swear, then I say
Yes.
sorry for my French.
Yes, exactly. Right. This is the restaurant to the rear of the Almira Hotel. There we go. 5-star Almira Hotel. You go up those steps there and you go into a pool that is to die for, and it is a truly great hotel. One of the best in the whole of Paphos. And again, it has a great view out towards the blue Mediterranean Sea. Have a look at that. Now, just coming up now, that is the Paphos Water Sports and Boat Trips. And they're Gumbarus of ours. The man in charge of the operation there is a Mr. Abraham. and he's got a lot of great guys working with him. The man in charge of the little boats, that's Captain Saba, and I can't name them all because there's just too many of them, but all of them are great guys, and all of them take safety very seriously. And this is where all the people I've mentioned went up parasailing and had a great ride. So there it is. And that is to the rear of the Almira Hotel. Coastal pathway between the promenade and all the hotels, if you understand me. The next hotel coming up over there, well, that one is the Alexander the Great Hotel, and that has a place in someone's heart, and that someone's heart is also Sweet Caroline and Big Guns Nigel Carter, and of course the superstar, the one and only Miss Ellie. Hopefully, Miss Ellie, you're going to come out next year. Hopefully we're going to have a great time, and we'll party, and we'll even take you on a jet ski with Captain Abraham, that's for sure. We'll see you in a booth.
You remember when we were here, it wasn't built yet. And in the winter time, they've done it so quick. And one day we passed and it was done, all piers. Anyway, I would like to thank you for watching. I would like to tell you that we really appreciate your time and your attention and all your support, all your lovely messages and replies. And Mr. Paul is always, as a responsible person, tries to answer. And I would like to tell you that we are really humbled every time when you see us, every time when we get accosted. We're feeling very all right, you understand? And that's all we want. We are wishing you all the best in this life. Thank you again, and we're loving you to be. Don't forget to click and subscribe.
All that's left for me to say is thanks for watching. If you like what you see, hit the like, click subscribe, and come back for a little bit more of our madness. What do you say, Gumbaro? He's going to click the like and he's going to subscribe because we're going to give him a piece of fish. Anyway, very nice to the rear of the hotel. Very nice hotel indeed. Thanks for watching. There's the view. Have a look at that.